Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. The image I'm working on today is a lot of fun as it's requiring me to think in almost contrasting styles. Now it's a macro image of a really small flower, and with all macro photographs, any adjustments I make really does alter the look. My lens is set up in a way that I am as tight on focus as I possibly can, so I'm finding it easier to move the flower or subject in and out a little bit or rotate it than it is to move the camera. And again, any subtle movements really does alter the look of it. Now for lighting, I wanted a high key image and I wanted the light to just fill the entire space, but I want direction, highlights, shadow, contours. Even though it's high key, I still want all those things. So what I'm doing is I have a single LED and I added in a 10-inch dot or a scrim in there, and I can move it closer or farther away and it changes the overall look up or down, which again, a lot of different looks here, but the light has to fill the space. But I'm gonna fill the shadows just a little bit to go with that high key look. So I'm adding in a white card right there. I think I'll double check focus, try a few variations, see what we have.